Well, here it is. It's in. Took about a week to get here. The old JLT. Let's see what we got up in this bad dude. Some paper. The old can. Guess I don't have that much pressure. Don't need the hose clamps on these. Bracket. 10mm and some Phillips. Got a card. They didn't give us no sticker, bro. I wanted a sticker. Put on my visor, man. What is this? Review it. Well, that's all we get. A business card. And a brochure with these instructions. The 5-3 and the 6-2. Okay. Symbol, separator, mounting bracket. What is this one for? Where's that bolt at? That doesn't even look like, well, this looks like mine. Am I just looking at it wrong? Well, it says all we need is what, a 10mm socket, ratchet and extension, Phillips screwdriver, 5/16 nut driver, flathead screwdriver. Alright, well, let's see if we can find what we're looking for. And this bad dude, it only costs, I believe, let me see here. They don't have the total. I think it was like 160, 155, 160, somewhere in there. That's the 3.0. Pretty good material too. Well, that's all it is. We'll get under this hood and see what we can find. I don't know how bad the wind noise is gonna be, because every time I want to do something, the wind's blowing 1,000 miles an hour. Here's our tools. Not that. You gotta have a Milwaukee. If you don't use Milwaukee drill, something wrong. Oh, so there's a 10mm. See if we can find this hose first, though. I'm guessing this one, and then this one. Little lock rings on them. Push in, it releases. Same thing with this side. You can see the oil in this one. I can see the oil where it's already going in there. That was pretty easy. Get that out of the way. Let's see, it's 10mm right here. Let's knock that puppy off. Ooh. Okay. Alright. That was pretty easy. Gonna freaking fall off the side of the truck. This freaking giant here. But look, you're gonna have to get lost, buddy. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying, bro. This ain't no free ride. So, and this thing here, it just keeps oil from getting into your intake. It basically catches it in this can, catch can. Especially if you're going to keep your truck for a long time, I definitely suggest getting it, because I've watched a lot of reviews on it where people are showing after 2,000 miles and it's catching a lot of oil, you know, that's going back into your motor. So I definitely recommend this if you got your truck and you're planning on keeping it. I wonder, does this go in front of that? I bet it does. No, it can't, bro. It ain't no way. that's a, yeah, we'll put this on first and see how it feels. So if it feels wrong, we'll back it off. But if it goes on there smoothly, oh yeah, we're gonna leave it like that. Let me look and just make sure on these instructions, because you know I ain't trying to install it wrong. Well, I can't see a nut on there, so I'm guessing that's how it goes. Makes sense, makes sense. Let me go ahead and tighten that puppy down, tighten everything back up. Quick little install here. Look at the dust on my intake, handprints. Gotta love it, gotta love it. I might want to tighten that down first, yeah. Talking about you need an extension. You don't need an extension for this. Let me grab a ratchet, bro, because this ain't gonna work. I mean, the wrench. That's why you always keep your toolbox organized, because 9 times out of 10, I go in my box and I can't find nothing. It's like my tool bag. I had screwdrivers in there looking in it, can't find it nowhere. It's in there, but I can't find it. I hate when that happens. Spend 10 minutes looking for a tool and it's right there in front of you. Yeah, it looks kind of crooked. I don't want this thing to fly loose. Keep your tail down. Okay, I think that's good. What y'all think? Thumbs up or no? If it falls off, I'm blaming it on y'all. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying, bro. If it falls off, y'all did it, not me. Chevy did it. I'm gonna blame it on Chevy. Chevy, come get y'all's truck back. See, if you had a DeWalt right there, it wouldn't even have tightened the bolt down. It would have just balled down. But that Milwaukee's what is that? It's like an extra piece of hose, but it ain't wanting to come out of there. All right, let me grab the catch can. Let me figure out. I'm pretty sure that only one hose will reach. Okay, so the one on the left goes in the one in the front. Man, y'all hear that spinning? Ching, ching, ching. It's letting you know that's real, but ain't no plastic. Man, I'm gonna drop one of these screws. I can already feel it. Because I know I don't have a magnetic freaking 4-way. Every time I find or get one, I lose it. Or leave it at a customer's house. Come on, screw, don't play. Don't play, screw, don't play. Seriously? Ah, gotcha, gotcha. Where are you going now, huh? Let's get this other one. Definitely should have put this on before I did the bracket, but you know, YOLO is what they say. Oh yeah. You really need almost a stubby and Phillips for this right there. That's kind of tight. I'm gonna strip that bolt out and look at the angle on that. All right, so they said this one goes in the front like so. Oh yeah, y'all heard that pop? It's letting you know 10 horsepower gained. We're gaining horsepower by the day out here. Okay, now what makes sense with this one? Go around this maybe and go through there. Maybe. Oh yeah, y'all heard that click? 10 horsepower guaranteed. All right, well that ought to do it. After I screw the bottle on. Freaking monster truck, bro. I know when I get them coils and then add that leveling kit on the front, bro, you're gonna need a freaking 10-footer to get up on this truck, unless you got freaking super long arms and you're 6.5 foot tall, 7 foot tall. Because these trucks, man, they're just so much bigger with just little lifts. There it is. That's all she wrote, folks. Pretty solid stuff too, man. I liked it, how that feels. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this one. If you want to gain 20 horsepower, here you go. Easy mod. Nah, you get 10 horsepower just by having a Chevy. At least that's what I heard. Get out of here, stool. But I think that's gonna do it for this video. Think that's gonna do it. Guess I'll give y'all a little, I don't know if it'd be considered a cold start, because might want to shut the door. Hey bud, hey bud. I say, what is that hanging down up there? Let's let y'all hear this bad boy rumble. It won't do it with the hood up, wouldn't you know it? Get out of here, tube. Yeah, let me see if y'all can see that oil. You can see a little bit there. Yeah, but you can see it in there. See that oil? That's gonna prevent that from going back into your motor, that catch can is. But I think that's gonna do it for this video. I'll leave a description in the comments for the catch can, or I'll put a model number, item number. Probably put an item number, because I'm pretty sure, yeah, right here. And that works on the 19 to 21 Silverado, Sierra, Chevy, Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon, Yukon XL, 5.3 or 6.2. So you know what to do. 10 horsepower right there. I'm giving y'all little tips and tricks. Y'all be outrunning them Mustangs before too long. But if you enjoyed the video, like and comment and subscribe.